Okay, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and today we're going to talk about affirmations. What the heck are affirmations? Why do we use them? Are they a bunch of baloney? Do they work? Affirmations are statements that you can say out loud that are opposite than what you're accepting to be true. So, for instance, an affirmation about your body. I want to believe that my body is worthy. You might be saying that because at some point in your life or story or experience, you believe that your body is bad or broken or is not serving you in a certain way. And so the thought, my body is bad, my body is broken, that can be very distressing, and that can cause reactions and feelings and experiences in the body that can cause more distress, such as inflammation, certain hormones, which then can cause other experiences that you're in a state of fear or a state of something that I'm trying to run away from. I don't want to deal with. This is uncomfortable, so we cope. So an affirmation is saying something out loud to try to rework the distressing thought. Do they work? So I think sometimes affirmations they're a great tool that when you say something out loud, your brain and your body can hear it. It's very, very powerful. And that's one reason talk therapy can be so powerful, is because you're saying and experiencing things out loud. And typically it's with somebody else, and then you get to navigate, is that true? Is that what you mean? Now, sometimes when you're alone saying things out loud, you can hear it and you think, that's not actually what I mean. And you can have a conversation with yourself to figure out, what am I feeling right now? What am I experiencing, to navigate the next step forward? Okay. Affirmations can also be this ruminating thought that we just say, we start to memorize, and we don't experience it. So it can become just words. So if you ever memorize something, or, I grew up in a faith-based community and we memorized verses, and sometimes you just memorize them and you just say them and they lose their meaning. They lose their inspiration, if you will. So if you're using aspirations out of strict memorization to do check, did them, they're not doing its job. To actually use them wisely is to feel them and to maybe meditate on them and to see, what am I feeling? What's the story in reaction to this? Now that takes some proprioception. That takes actually seeing, what is my reaction to this affirmation? What am I feeling? Now, I know I keep going back to feelings, but there's so much wisdom and power in the body that this brain does not have access to if we're stuck in the affirmation and the hustle and the drive and the cerebral dialectical behavior therapy, which is good, but it doesn't allow you to access what's actually happening somatically in the body. And there's different schools of thought. So the somatic experience is an Eastern medicine where we're really doing bottom-up processing, which is so valuable in the work of body image and disordered eating. Affirmations can be very helpful, and they can be a crutch. So use them wisely. I hope this was helpful. My name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and like and subscribe if this was helpful. Okay, bye.